What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And I did this series a long time ago. I actually did quite a few of these figures, but I'm going to make a drone Spartan hunter. And basically I have these extra Spartan heads that I casted out of the same plastic I'm making my spare figures with, and I can attach them to various pieces on this figure and make him a Spartan hunter. I did this with elites, brutes, a bunch of other figures as well, and they always turned out really nicely. So if you guys enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button down below if you're new, ring that notification bell, and also leave a like. Let's go for 80 likes on this video. I would really appreciate it. I'm going to take him outside and give him a black base coat, same with the helmets, and then I'm going to be coming back inside and painting everything on camera. So I'm just going to get right to that. Alright guys, that is my Spartan Slayer drone. I think he turned out really cool. I like the pink slash, yeah, I like the pink bright textured paint that I used on here, and then the white stripes going down. It gives it this really like kind of red looking effect, but it's not quite red just because it is pink, but it looks from afar like it kind of looks like red. I don't know, it's kind of hard to explain in person, but it's really cool. I figured the best place to put the helmets were going to be up on top in front of these two weird, like, I don't even know what these are in the back. Ears? They're not ears, but yeah, I was really happy with this figure. I think he turned out really nicely. I think he's really cool, and I hope you guys thought the same. Spartan Slayers was a series that I did for a while on my YouTube channel if you're new to the channel, and it was always really fun to make these figures, and I might be making a few more. I might be just customizing figures for a little bit until I get a really good idea, a new mock to make, and I kind of have some stuff planned out, but I just have to finish kind of assembling all of these custom figures that I made here. I gotta assemble all of them and put them in certain positions, and it's a lot of work. But yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, let me know in the comment section down below what I should make next. Thanks so much for tuning in like always, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.